Hey, I'd like to invite you to CityJS Athens and to my workshop, Node.js Testing Beyond the Basics. I truly believe that it can dramatically elevate your testing game and put you on a road of becoming your team's authority for testing. Well, actually, it's more than a workshop, but I'll explain this soon. Before that, few words about myself. I'm Yoni Goldberg. I'm a full-stack developer. I try to specialize in testing. I was engaged with more than 50 companies only about improving their testing game. Big companies like Intel, Cisco, AppsFlyer, and Fiverr, and many more. I also summarize all of my findings in my GitHub repos, which overall was stirred more than 135,000 times. And I'd like to share all of this knowledge with you. How do you test a modern, real-world distributed backend? We're about to discuss non-trivial topics like how do you test with database? How do you seed it? Ensure that the records are there. Should you clean up between tests or no? How do you handle very big JSONs in your test and other database related patterns and practices? One other important topic, for example, is how do you test integration? Say your code is calling some external service. It might be a very important part of the user experience, right? Calling some credit card company or SMS. How do you ensure that the call was indeed went out successfully? How do you simulate network failure? How do you check the contract? And we'll also discuss how to test with message queues, with Kafka, which is not straightforward at all, and how to test the deep error handling flows in your app and monitoring events. We will also walk through modern patterns like the dynamic factory, the smoking gun, the extra mile, patterns that will help you craft clean tests. We're not only about to discuss them, but also to practice them and play in class a game that is called the 5 Islands game, in which you try to solve various exercises and unlock some treasure. But how can we achieve all of this in 4 hours? We can't. And as I told you, it's not only a workshop, it's your roadmap. I'm going to facilitate you with my free access to my online 7 hours long testing course, which you can experiment, try, see, and exercise over a couple of months. I also open a Discord group for you to ask questions and for me to accompany you. I hope that I have you intrigued. And if I did, join me.